Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing an oil change. We're gonna be doing it with a little twist on it. Des over here, shout out to him.
What's up? What's good? What's
Des. He challenged me to do it with my mask on. Since it is Halloween today, I figured why not. We probably won't get this video out till like in a week because I'm fucking busy. But you guys will get it out.
Stop lying, his software's down.
Stupid. But anyways, I'm gonna be prepping my car right now, put it on jack stands, and just have everything ready for me to just do the oil change. But yeah, let's get it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because this shit's about to be lit. Good thing I know how to do my oil change with my eyes closed. So, oh man, bruh. Oh shit. Oh my god. See, look at oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at this motion.
Oh my god. God. Oh my god, dude. I need to learn how to shoot. I do use a 10W30 for those that are wondering. Mobile 1. I use 4 quarts of this and 1 quart of this. This just prevents from the engine to like wear out easier.
Oh my god, is that a ghost?
Oh my god, is that a Fortnite player?
Alright, so right now he's gonna put it up.
For you guys that don't know how to jack your car, this is how you do it, I think.
You don't even look, you just put it back.
You fuck up your whole splitter.
I don't care. Real shit.
So you know it's fake.
That's a fake car.
And you don't know what you're doing?
Bro, even that car has 3 wheels.
Yeah, no. Even my golf cart has real wheels, bruh. Look at these. This man's. Oh, why's my jack sound like that, bruh?
When there's not November. Oh, it's not even November yet. So these guys haven't noticed, but I fucked up. I dropped my vape batteries down there.
Oh my god, bitch.
How'd you do that?
Right now I was trying to get this shit open to hit it with my vape, and then the batteries flew out.
Oh my god, you're dumb.
Oh my god. Also, I am bald.
Oh yeah. Somehow.
I'm bald.
But his boss hairy as hell.
Hell yeah. My ass is too.
Oh shit, black.
So this right here is your intake fluid. Also, you could also put your
Blinker
headlight.
Blinker fluid.
Yeah.
Oh. No. It's intake fluid.
No, it's
Because you need water in your intakes to make your car go faster. So if you guys ever knew about that, put water in your intakes, will make your car fucking zoom.
Yeah.
because it'll cool them down
You cool
faster.
them down, they'll stay hydrated.
And then you're gonna have to go bald so you don't money on haircuts.
Yeah, because look, either way, this dude has a fucked up hairline. So.
I'm trying to go home. Damn, it's hella hot today.
Dude, I know my head's on fire, bro.
Man, how you guys loaded so bad?
Try to give it a little tan, you know?
Literally, his hair fell off. It burned down.
Yesterday I took a video and it looked like he was bald. Like going bald in the back of his head.
Oh, yeah, on the Snapchat? Dude.
It's okay though, because we all love him.
Yeah.
Do you love him though?
No, we're little dick, so
Hey, he got a little dick, so can't put
you dropped both of them?
Yeah. My battery's down there, bro.
Stupid ass. This is why you don't need a vape kit.
So my vape batteries are down there. I don't know if you guys can see.
See that with the camera?
Yeah, there's one right there. You can see the green part on them. And I don't know where the other one went.
I'm weak.
You see it?
Right there, you got it. That was perfect.
Hey, I need one more. Where's my other one? I don't
The
know.
other one's right there too, yeah.
Fucking Chuck.
This is why you guys need a Lexi in your life. Okay, boy. Get him.
We're going to
So you want to look
what
like,
does that have to do with Dragon Ball
like
Z,
I don't
bro?
know.
Dragon Ball Z, their hair is like.
Nah, you look like what that foot name? Oh, like what's that foot name? The one that has like 3 dots on his forehead.
I think he looks like the guy from Avatar. I mean, not Avatar.
Yeah, the Airbender. The Airbender.
Avatar.
The Airbender. Yeah, the Airbender.
Airbender. You don't bear
The only thing he can bend is.
You don't bend air. You only bend dick.
God.
That shit is bent.
God, bend that shit.
Hey, let me give you a haircut next time. For a video.
Oh, we can do that for a video. You guys give this video. Hey, how many likes do you usually get?
Like 120.
120 likes.
Yeah.
200.
If you guys can give this video 250 likes, he can cut my hair however he wants.
I'm gonna do a design. Not
Yeah,
like design,
he
but
can
like...
even do a design and leave it on for a week. Also, I'll let my hair grow out for a full month, so it can be long and he can do whatever he wants.
designs, and then I can just cut it all off like how you got right now.
Yep, we'll do that.
All right, cool.
But this video has to get 250 likes, so it's up to y'all. Y'all really want to see me look dumb as hell? It's a whole full oil change with your mask.
That's just gonna suck.
Dude, I know this got done.
But he said he knows his car like the palm of his hand, so.
So why'd you prep your car already?
Cause I don't want to make a call for me.
Call for me?
Call for me.
Damn, my car dirty.
Shit. Oh, fuck up. Alright, fuck it, whatever.
Bro, I said put your mask on.
Hey, look at his fucked up hairline.
I know, bro. Still looks the same. That's him without a hat, you guys.
Fucking wig, stupid.
Alright. Once you touch the car, I'll start the timer. You see it in the...
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, timer starts. And the race is on. No slow down here.
Bro,
What angle down here, fool?
I need to fart, but like I feel like shit's gonna come out.
Oh, fuck. What?
I can't see.
But you know your car, so you're good.
So now he's trying to get his splash guard removed.
You look a little lost, bud.
It's hot.
Can you feel it now?
We all float down here. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be introducing a new car.
Oh, baby,
We all have names for our cars, it's the usual thing. This one is La Chancla. El Guarache. Piña.
This is my girl Tiffany. My girlfriend actually named her Tiffany.
I like it, I like it, I like it. My white Miata. That one is named Brittany. It's mainly because she's white. If she changes color, she's a new bitch. Yeah. But today we're introducing my new girl Candace. Right here. Got a brand new Miata. It's actually old as fuck. It's a 91. You already knew. I'm putting this big bitch in there. LS3. The Magnus is supercharger. About to be the best freaking sleeper ever until I turn it on though, because this thing's gonna be loud. Oh, dude! Lexi, look over here. Why'd you take off your mask?
I didn't.
Oh, my bad. You just ugly.
Come here, come here.
What's up? What's up? Oh, are you gonna take it off?
Well, that's the point.
Oh! Oh, you got my floor dirty. It's cool. It's just a little. Bro, put your hand on over it.
Hey,
Look at that.
She said she likes her menthol.
When she says she likes her menthol.
I wish it was black.
Taking you a while to get there, bud. Look at that.
Crabs, looking at us. I got crabs.
Look at this dude just ruining my floors with stains.
He's cleaning up with his back.
Thanks for cleaning it.
Lick it.
You won't? Put it on your face. Slap yourself.
That mask was expensive.
That's how you know you're unexperienced. Look at this dude. Look at this, dude.
I just heard that shit hitting the floor, and I was like, is that shit hitting the floor? And then
Fuck. Now he just has to go buy sand. If y'all didn't know, you can buy sand. Put it on that. Also cat litter. Yeah, this dude dumb.
or just take a shit on it.
Oh, I can't see you. Too white.
The face be looking like my tia too.
That one Mexican tia that you have.
Hola, mijo, ¿dónde está tu mamá? Hold up. Damn,
Hey, be careful, because your oil filter is most likely going to drop hella oil.
Look, get ready to take it off. Guys, for $1 a day, if you just leave it like that. If you guys watch videos, it donates to buying this one new jeans. Cause look at this, look at that.
Ah, you messed me up.
How?
I dropped a little.
He dropped a little. Don't worry about buying the new jeans, you guys.
Just watch the
In
video.
reality, he's always on his knees, so they're gonna get ripped up anyways.
But this is what happens. If you guys watch his videos, look at this. He could afford new jeans. How'd it go down there?
Hate that.
Look at your chin, it's all orange and shit.
Drain plug is in. Filter's on.
Are you sure the drain plug's in?
Yeah.
Okay, you sure the filter's on fully?
Yeah.
Why are you looking up?
Alright.
Are you sure you can put it in there without mixing?
Yeah.
Always make sure to clean your stuff because there could be dirt, anything nasty, you know, you don't want it messing up your engine.
Nah.
And then we use this to chug beer. So.
Put a beer. Put a beer.
You won't? Alright, I'll put a beer. I'll put a beer.
I was
want a
gonna
beer?
dump the oil in
Hey,
there.
you want a beer?
Just dump it in there.
This should taste like oil.
I know. Why you have your mouth around it? You had your mouth around
No, it's look.
Nah.
It says only for Mustang use, so I don't know what the fuck this was doing. Fuck it.
Fuck it.
He wants some extra ponies in there.
Well, how was it wrong?
It was right. You're an idiot.
No, I'm wrong.
Fuck no. I'm done.
Look at that hairline though. Calm down, William Levy. None of y'all know who that is.
I know how William Levy is. How? Who?
William Levy?
That from the novelas.
That shit was hard.
That papi chulo looking
What time
at.
was it?
That your mom's
just
man
finished.
crush.
My mom's lesbian, so that don't work.
Oh yeah. Never mind.
You
Took you
took
28 minutes.
yeah, 28
bad.
minutes. I would have done that thing in 10 seconds, bro. Get out of my face. And he spilled oil on the floor.
Why you look at me like you're gonna seduce my dick?
Stupid.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I dare you guys to do this challenge. If you guys do this challenge, make sure you tag me on Instagram and I'll repost you on my story. I did it in 28 minutes with my Pennywise mask on. But yeah, just don't spill oil like I did. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give you a thumbs up, comment below, and yeah, subscribe.